Hi, everyone. Today in WordWork, we are going to be talking about word knowledge and those words' meanings. And so today we are going to be looking at antonyms. So think back, what does antonyms mean? Remember that antonyms mean the opposite of each other. So let's say like or hate, those are antonyms, which means they mean the opposite. So I want to read this poem, and as I read, I want you to look at some of the words in this poem and see if you see any antonyms in there. All right, so here's my poem, Old and New. I have a great new pair of jeans. They are navy and very cool. I like to wear my dark blue jeans everywhere in school. I have an old pair of blue jeans. They're a light and faded blue, but I wear my old blue jeans more than I wear the new. I have a wonderful new pair of shoes. They're clean and chocolate brown. I like to wear my great new shoes everywhere in town. I have a pair of running shoes. They're old with dirty laces. I wear my old shoes less, unless I want to win the race. All right. So did we see any antonyms in this poem? All right, so I see one right there in the title, Old and New. So I'm going to go ahead and just highlight all of the words old and new in the poem. So I'm just going to go through and find old and new. So here's new. Here's old. Old and new. New. Old. Old. All right, so those are all the words old and new that I see in this poem. All right, what other antonyms do you see in this poem? Okay, maybe you said dark and light. Maybe you see clean and dirty. All right, so these are the antonyms that I see in this poem. If you see more than I do, great job. All right, so today for your independent word work, you are going to be looking at this Seesaw assignment called WMB 10. And what you are going to do is read all the words here on this list, and then you're going to match up the antonyms. So you can circle them, highlight them, whatever, and then I want you to write them on this line. So you have your first word and then the antonym. And remember, antonyms mean the opposite of each other. All right, remember, if you have any questions, you can raise your virtual hand or maybe say, excuse me, or raise your real hands. I will still be here on the Zoom, but I will be teaching the in-person kids. So if you need help on something, you can either ask one of the other adults in a room or you can ask me. All right.